Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street stock markets wavered but remained close to record highs ahead of U.S. jobs data that could pile pressure on the Federal Reserve to rethink its ultra-supportive monetary policies. Investment firm 1031 has announced it will be supporting OpenSats and Bitcoin Q+A with grant funds sourced from its management fees. Australia's dollar took a beating after tensions with China escalated, underscoring its sensitivity to geopolitical tensions, even as commodity prices are soaring.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. unemployment rate at 12:30 GMT. The UK's market construction PMI at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.